So the talk of the town is multi-cloud and generative AI. I caught up with Raghu, Purnima and Kit to find out more. How can businesses benefit from VMware's private AI foundation and our AI innovation?
Yeah, so this, as we all know, unless we've been living under a rock, generative AI has really burst into public consciousness. And the amazing use cases that we are able to experience as consumers can be carried over into enterprises in a big way. So what we are seeing in company after company after company is CEOs and execs saying, look, with generative AI, I can transform my software development, or I can transform how I service my customers, or I can transform what it takes to make my internal employees more productive. So literally in every aspect of a company's operations, we are seeing the value of generative AI, the potential of generative AI. So that's what's gotten everybody excited, and that's what also led to our solution.
Pretty much every customer we talk to right now, generative AI is top of mind for them. And I think one of the biggest concerns are really around all of the risks with generative AI. The privacy, data leakage, IP contamination. So this private AI architecture that we introduced is super helpful for them because it can address those risks while also allowing them to get all the benefits of generative AI.
Generative AI, let's start with that, is transforming every industry, right? It is one of those things like the internet, right? When the advent of internet, how things change, It's the same way. And at VMware, we are doing two things. One is we are leveraging generative AI to change our own products. So for example, we introduced something called Intelligent Assist. And one of the intelligent assists we introduced was Tanzu Intelligent Assist. So if you're troubleshooting an environment, today you have to go and look at different consoles, you have to look at a lot of data. Imagine you could just go and have a conversation. Hey, which application is having a problem? Oh, application A is having a problem. Great. Tell me, where are the sources of problem? And then once it shows you that, you can say, show me how to remediate it. So imagine just the power we can put it at our customers' fingertips. Now, each industry is doing same thing with their applications. And so with our private AI foundation, we are also providing an environment for customers to build their own applications using generative AI. And what I saw in this region, and I've been very pleasantly surprised, is customers are truly looking at opportunities to transform the experience for their users with their apps.
So, what's that impact of Gen AI going to have, or what is it already having on enterprises?
So far, I would say it's not really started at scale, right? Companies are still experimenting with the technology at best. Many are even trying to understand the technology, and many are wondering about the risks of privacy and other issues. So I would say we are still at the starting gate. However, I've not met a single CEO that doesn't think it's going to be transformative for their enterprise, and that's what we have to look forward to and make real.
I love that.